Welcome back, everybody, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton Beach. You look at the flag in the background, you can tell that wind is absolutely tearing today. Gonna be interesting to see how these captains fare, but let's get the action started and see how things roll. So Cap pumps a brake check. Gonna try backing this one up. But man, he's gonna have a tough time. I'm assuming he's trying to get back over to this inside dock on the right. But man, with that wind and current ripping the opposite direction, it's gonna be interesting to see how he makes it. And he's got boats backing in on him here as well. Shouldn't say backing in, they're coming in on him, but there's actually 2 or 3 boats here in line waiting now. With a wind this heavy, this gets really difficult to try and hold your position, especially in a confined area like this. For these guys all to try and get on the ramp. I'd be shooting for this ramp all the way to the right with the jet ski on it. I'd just be probably encroaching on those guys a little bit and just trying to nudge my way in there. But no, we're going to go against the wind and current. Let's see how that fares. And it's not faring well. They're losing it. And somebody's sneaking in behind them here and is going to head over to the courtesy dock. The little brake check, I mean, the wind and current's going to grab them. They're going to have to completely reset on this one. You can just watch, man. This boat's just moving right out of the screen. And we've got another captain here. He's going to debate on what he's doing because we've got somebody launching to the dock he's trying to go to. And now he's going to do like I mentioned and go where the jet ski was, which is going to be the smart play. He's just got to watch out for the rocks on the right-hand side. But hopefully this wind and current should just push them in. Boat hook in hand, and nice job, Cap. So our pontoon is making their way back on the scene. But still no docks opening that they can just kind of glide in on. They're going to have to fight the wind and current unless they want to wait. And they might be waiting. Cap looks pretty content right now. He doesn't really look like he's in any rush to try and get on any of these docks, and I don't blame him. I mean, the wind and current's just howling. This is always a tough one, unless you've got some people who are really willing to jump in and try and help. But he's got to watch out behind him. They're not looking at all. And there's another boat coming in here. And I think he's just backing up, trying to hold position. And he's going to try and wait for another dock. But finally, after a few minutes of waiting, though, our guys decided he's going to go around this dude. Basically saying, bro, move it or lose it. If you're not going to come on this inside dock, I'm going to take it. And he might just be doing a pick up and go, though. It looks like somebody's running down the dock right now. And our crew's definitely switching lines, so they're holding off. They're just going to bide their time and wait to where they can have a dock where they can just kind of let the wind and current push them in. So in an effort to speed this up, we're going to fast forward a little bit. We've had 2 boats pass these guys. One go over to the courtesy dock, and another guy here looks like he's going to try and come in on the right, but the boat's finally loaded in front of them, so here we go. They're going to try and land this one, but they're still struggling. So Cap's kind of missed after hanging out for a few minutes, thinking he was going to get the easier landing by moving. And it's just not going down that way. And our guy is struggling. Man. There we go. Gonna get this thing turning the right direction a little bit. He's got to get that bow around. I mean, I almost think he could have went to the right dock now. Sometimes this stuff's painful to watch. But hey, they're still at it. And speaking of being still at it, some of you may have realized that the Broncos Guru channel really hasn't been being pushed lately. And the reason is we've moved to a new home called Drainplug Mafia. If you haven't subscribed to that channel already, please do so. We do some great comedy boating videos over there. Unfortunately, the Broncos Guru channel was hacked and we've had to move. But these guys are going to get on the dock and things will be good. But we'll leave a link in the description below to the new Broncos Guru channel, or maybe it'll be in one of the cards up top here. And these guys should be ready to move on. And here we go, Boynton's boat ramp doing Boynton things. My man just spinning tires up here. They can't get it out. This may be a thing of the past coming up here soon, though, as Boynton's boat ramp's going through a major renovation. Let me know in the comments below, guys, if you use Boynton boat ramp, what ramp are you going to use as the Boynton boat ramp closes down? I'm curious where everybody's going to go to. So our guy's walking around, assessing the situation. And let's see what course of action they choose to take. So Wifey's jumping off the... Oh, she almost takes a spill jumping off the boat, but catches herself last second. And our guy, I mean, he walked around the truck, but I haven't seen him since now. I'm not sure exactly what he's doing. So we're coming back to this side. Ah, somebody said this before in the comments. How come we don't see people doing this? So our guy's actually letting air out of the rear tires to give them a little bit more of a contact patch to try and pull this out. No, it is not something we see, done hardly ever. Very rarely. Typically, before I even see anybody try this, usually they're getting pulled out or towed out. So let's see if this gamble pays off for our guy. Typically, I've seen people do this on beaches when they were stuck in sand, but I've not seen anybody successfully do this at the boat ramp yet. So Wifey's just kind of hanging back. Our guy looks like he's got it where he wants it. Let's see if that's enough to get this thing out. Got a couple people standing around. He really needs to get these guys into the back of the truck. Is that what he... Yep, that's what he instructed them to do. There we go. Get a little weight back there as well. Let's see if this helps. Gonna try and get a little bit of a running start. Want to try and keep those rear tires out of the water. And here we go. Still spinning them tires. But he's going to make it out, and this crew will get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. Then we have Drainplug Mafia, where we do some great comedy boating videos there. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.